Hi there. In this video, we'll look at how to create a support request online. To begin, navigate to our support site at dell.com/support. From the support page, select the support drop-down and click on Service Requests and Dispatch Status. From here, click on Create New Service Request. Here you can select one of the three options to find your system. Detect My Device uses the Support Assist app to detect the machine you are currently using. This is only applicable if you are using the affected machine to navigate the support site. Choose Model allows you to navigate a list of all Dell products to find this specific unit. And Enter Service Tag allows you to search for this specific model using its service tag, allowing you to see all the exact order details and warranty information. For this example, we'll search using the system's service tag. If this is the correct system you wish to create a service request for, then click on Next. From the drop-down, select the issue that best describes your issue. For this example, we're going to select a power and startup issue. The support site will now give you all the links to our web-based manuals and knowledge base articles to help you resolve the issue quickly by yourself. If the issue still persists after trying these fixes, then click on Next to continue raising a support request. You will now be shown the available support options. These options will be different depending on the system type and issue you are facing. Select the issue that best suits you. For this example, we're going to select the chat option. Fill in the chat information with your name, email address, contact number, and a brief description of the issue you are facing. Your chat will be immediately answered by our virtual assistant. Follow the virtual assistant's instructions as it tries to aid you in a fix for your issue. After these fix suggestions, it will ask you if your issue has been resolved. If it has, simply click on Yes and close the box. If the issue is still occurring, click on No and a service request number will be generated. Take note of this service request number and then the chat will navigate you to one of our agents to assist you further. If you already have an open service request and have your number, you can view your case by clicking here on the main Dell support page. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.